In this video, we will talk about affiliate marketing for beginners, how to start and succeed in 2025. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and effective ways to earn money online. It's beginner-friendly, doesn't require much upfront investment, and has the potential to generate passive income over time. In this guide, we'll break down affiliate marketing into simple steps, explain strategies for success, and help you navigate this rewarding online business model. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you earn commissions by promoting products or services for other companies. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you receive a percentage of the sale as a reward. It's a win-win. Businesses get more sales, and you earn money for helping them. Understanding affiliate marketing is crucial because it gives you clarity about your role as a promoter and how you can earn. By connecting companies with customers, you act as a middleman who bridges the gap. This relationship benefits everyone involved. Businesses increase their reach, customers find valuable products, and you earn money for facilitating the connection. Step 1. Understand how affiliate marketing works. Before diving in, it's important to grasp the key components of affiliate marketing. 1. Affiliate. That's you, the person promoting the products. As an affiliate, your job is to connect customers to products they might find helpful. 2. Merchant. The company or brand offering products or services. These are the businesses looking for affiliates to expand their reach. 3. Affiliate network. A platform that connects affiliates with merchants and tracks sales. Networks simplify the process by providing tools for tracking and management. 4. Audience. The people who click your links and potentially make purchases. Building trust with your audience is essential to encourage them to take action. 5. Affiliate link. A unique URL that tracks your referrals. These links ensure you get credited for the sales you drive. Knowing these components helps you understand the flow of affiliate marketing and allows you to focus on each element for better results. Step 2. Choose a niche. Picking the right niche is critical to your success. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest. Examples include fitness, technology, fashion, and travel. To find the perfect niche, follow your interests. Choose something you're passionate about to stay motivated. Working on a niche you enjoy will make the process more enjoyable and sustainable. Research demand. Use tools like Google Trends or RFs to see if there's a market for your niche. High demand indicates opportunities for profit. Check competition. Look at other affiliate marketers in your niche to see what's working. While competition isn't necessarily bad, understanding it helps you find ways to stand out. Selecting a niche that balances your interests with market demand is essential. It ensures that you'll stay engaged while also tapping into a profitable market. Step 3. Join affiliate programs. Affiliate programs connect you with companies that offer products or services to promote. Some popular affiliate networks and programs include Amazon Associates, great for beginners with a vast range of products. This program's variety allows you to promote almost anything. ClickBank focuses on digital products like ebooks and courses. It's ideal for marketers looking to earn higher commissions on digital goods. ShareASale offers products from various niches. This platform is versatile, catering to multiple interests. CJ Affiliate, ideal for experienced marketers with a focus on big brands. It's a great choice if you want to work with well-known companies. When joining these programs, ensure they align with your niche and audience's interests. This alignment increases the likelihood of conversions and long-term success. Step 4. Build a platform. You'll need a platform to share your affiliate links and reach your audience. Common platforms include 1. Blog. Create a website using platforms like WordPress. Blogs are ideal for sharing in-depth content like reviews and guides. 2. Social media. Use Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Twitter to share engaging content. 3. Email list. Build an email list by offering free resources, e.g., ebooks or guides. Step 5. Create quality content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. High-quality content builds trust and encourages your audience to click your links. Here are some content ideas. Product reviews. Write honest reviews highlighting pros and cons. Reviews help readers make informed decisions. How-to guides. Show how a product solves a specific problem. Guides demonstrate the practical value of the product. Comparison articles. Compare similar products to help readers decide. These articles are particularly useful for indecisive buyers. Videos. Create tutorials or unboxings on YouTube. Video content often converts better due to its visual and engaging nature. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links to maintain transparency with your audience. Trust is vital for long-term success. Step 6. Drive traffic to your links. Getting people to click your links is key to earning commissions. Here's how to drive traffic effectively. SEO. Optimize your content to rank in search results and attract free organic traffic. Social media. Share engaging posts on platforms like Instagram or TikTok to connect with your audience. Paid ads. Use Google or Facebook ads, optional, to boost visibility quickly. Collaborations. Partner with influencers or marketers in your niche to expand reach. Consistent effort and experimentation are key. Use methods that align with your resources and audience preferences. Step 7. Track performance. To improve your results, track your affiliate marketing performance. Most affiliate programs provide analytics showing clicks. How many people clicked your links? Tracking clicks helps you understand what's working. Conversions. How many clicks turned into sales? Conversion rates indicate the effectiveness of your content and strategies. Earnings. How much commission you've earned. Monitoring earnings helps you set realistic goals and measure progress. Use this data to refine your strategies and focus on what works best. Regular tracking ensures you stay on the path to success. Strategies for success in 2025. 1. Personal branding. Build trust with your audience through authenticity and sharing real product experiences. 2. Video content. Use YouTube or TikTok for reviews, tutorials, and live demos. 3. Stay updated. Follow trends, learn from communities, and adapt to platform changes. 4. Diversify income. Promote products from different sources and add digital products to boost earnings. 5. Provide value. Solve problems, offer helpful tips, and focus on audience needs over selling. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Choosing the wrong niche. Picking a niche with no demand or too much competition. Take time to research and evaluate options. 2. Not creating quality content. Poor content won't attract clicks or sales. Invest in learning how to create compelling content. 3. Overloading with ads. Too many affiliate links can overwhelm readers. Focus on quality over quantity. 4. Ignoring SEO. Without optimization, your content won't reach enough people. Learn basic SEO to improve visibility. 5. Quitting too early. Affiliate marketing takes time to see results. Patience and persistence are key. Final thoughts. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn money online in 2025. By following these steps, choosing the right niche, and creating valuable content, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. Remember, patience and consistency are key to long-term success. Start today, and your efforts can lead to a steady stream of income in the future. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.